guys, welcome back. It's been a minute. Christmas, New Year's, birthday, renewing driver's license, all that fun stuff for the last few days. It's kept me pretty busy. But we're in my house right now. The wife was nice enough to give me a corner of the house for a Christmas present. So I don't have to freeze to death doing small micro scrapping. So this little corner of the house is where I'm going to be doing most of my electronic waste, electronic scrapping. So let's start. I haven't done one of these before. Touch screen. I took all the screws out of the back before starting because, well, I didn't think you wanted to watch me do that for 25 minutes. All right, now what do we got here? Yeah, the lighting situation is terrible. But we'll get her all set up here in the next few days. Anything better than working out in the cold. So, what do I see here? Get that up here. Oh, there it is. My little assortment of little snips here. That I decided to bring up here for electronics. Guys, if we're doing electronics and just doing them up here, I might as well bring it up out of the shed and put it in the house. So yeah, like that, 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 and that. That seems not to hook with that, except for the screwed in one there. Guess I didn't need my snips, did I? So reasonable coffee containers and whatever else we can find to put stuff in for now. And I just didn't realize that, but the yard I've been going to for the last couple of years actually takes electronic scrap. Yeah, I didn't know that. I don't know what they pay or what they take or anything yet, but I'll be taking a load in on Thursday. This is Tuesday. And I will find out then what they take and what they pay for electronic waste. So I'm kind of hoping this is what they mean by electronic waste, but you never can tell. I haven't done e-waste before, so this could be a learning experience for me. I just know a couple of things, like lighting's terrible, terrible, terrible. Like there's copper. That I know. There's some copper. That I know. As for the rest of the stuff, it's a mystery right now. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put the board aside for now. Put it down in the bucket. And clean up this little board here. Down the bucket. Let's see now. Let's see if you can see it now. All right. Here's this little thingamabobber. Now, this is a aluminum heatsink. I don't know that much. That's a circuit board. How much I got to clean off it? I don't know. I'll have to look that stuff up. So till then, put this in the bucket. Two screws in there. Don't know what that wire goes for, so I'm putting that all aside for now. All right. Strip all these wires off. Speaker wires. All right, this stuff here, I'm going to trim this off so I can pull it through and get that in the bucket. No, it's so much warmer here in the house. It's been down like minus 20s with the wind chill for the last few days. I went and got the tires, new tires, well, new too many tires put on the van last night, and I was supposed to get the rear tire in a truck fixed tonight, but buddy had to work late, so that didn't get done. People that have to work for a living, can you imagine? All the nerve. Why is this not pulling out? That's why. Ouchie. Take that out. This is bugging me here. There we go. Yeah, I cut the wire off it last night and threw it in the bucket. Now, a few hundred more screws are going to be taken out, I think. So it's the start of the new year. What do you guys got plans for this year coming? Are you gonna get into scrapping? Are you gonna do more scrapping? Son of a gun. Has to be a pain in the butt. Because that's got bolts on the other side of it holding her in. It's not easy being me. There's those two. It's off. Instead of trying to unscrew it, and it's already unscrewed. Ain't that something now? All these little screws in here. I don't want to be walking on them. I don't want the cat choking on them or the dog or some foolish thing. So, I'll take this off of here. Set that down here for now. Put that in here. More screws. Now, get this piece of steel come off. Come on, you bugger. Yeah. What in the world? You're just being a pain in the backside. Of course, I can't use a grinder in the house, so we're gonna do that for a bit. That's gonna be a pain in the backside. All right. we're doing all right, I think. All right, guys, we're gonna take a little break now, grab a magnet and coffee, and figure what we're gonna do with this, and we'll be back in a bit. I'm back. We took a lot more screws and clips off so we can get some things done. Found out a little circuit board here. I know this thing comes off at a later date. I'll put this down in here. Now, flip this over and see what we got in here. And how we get into this part. Guess what? More damn screws. And yes, I changed with the battery. And so far I haven't found any aluminum. It is all plain old wonderful, well, not so wonderful, steel, sheet metal. It's only 4.5 cents a pound. Yay me, you go. Yeah, this lighting situation is absolutely pathetic here. Another piece of something. Yep. Another piece of sheet. That's all that's here. Alright, it's right in front of me. Now, hope we're getting good stuff here soon, guys. And now I'm getting to know why people don't, ouch, that is warm, that light. Okay, now I know why people don't, do a lot of these. I'm not sure whether it's worth it or not. For what I've seen so far, for $2 or $3, and the time it takes to do it, so far it's not worth it. Of course, I ain't done yet. Maybe there's a big surprise under this thing on the screen. What do you think, guys? Let's see what's under here. Another piece of sheet. Another piece of sheet. Another piece of sheet. Get the screwdriver out of here. So I think that this is glass. I would assume as much. I feel something on the back here. A little piece of whatever this is. Take it off, save it in here for later. Set that here. Now what's this thing here? Well, it ain't magnetic. So how in the world do you get into this thing? Is there a small screwdriver here, flathead? Not that handful. Let's see what we got in here. Piece of paper. Well, you know what? I'm thinking there's $1 million in there I can't get to. But from what I've seen so far, I'm saying that that's pretty much about it that's in this thing. I see no wires not going up here, so oh well. It was fun. So I'm calling it a day. That's what there is in a TV, flat screen TV. Not a hell of a lot. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Next one should hopefully be a little more exciting. And I'm sure I get told off for taking this apart, but I'm not going to bother making a big mess of my house for that. Alright, cheers guys. Thanks for being here, and God bless.